on to a very shocking case that we have been tracking. Now, on 30th October, a very shocking case came to light from Mumbai's Powai area after a man, Rohit Arya, allegedly took 7 children hostage. We have access to an exclusive letter from Rohit Arya in which he claims that he had a significant role in Maharashtra's project Let's Change, launched CM Fadnavis in 2015. Arya says he conceptualized, implemented and proposed part of the project, but the money was given to someone else. He adds that his Swachhta Monitor campaign was included in the Chief Minister Manjhi Shala Sundar Shala 2024-25 without contacting him. He also revealed that he had to fast for 3 months to get justice and went on to make a call for support. When will Swachhta Monitor get justice? Interestingly, on 30th October, former Minister Deepak Kasarkar had told reporters that Arya had taken money directly from the department and that he should have resolved the matter directly with them. I have my colleague Unaiza Gadia joining me with more details. Unaiza, over to you.
Yeah, this incident actually took yesterday, and which was very shocking. So initially, when Rohit Arya who kidnapped these children, they tried to communicate with the local public. When local public have seen them, they immediately reported to the police station, and police immediately within 30 minutes reached at the spot, and they somehow enter in the room where Rohit Arya was there with these hostages in the room. Then there, the police and police officials tried to communicate with Rohit Arya that what was the reason behind his act. They tried to talk to Rohit Arya. Rohit Arya initially was calm down. He was trying. He engaged with the police, and he actually was not ready to support to the police. So the information we got from police that Rohit Arya was ready for negotiation, was ready for talk, but suddenly something changed his mind and he was not ready to cooperate. Then police also made him to speak to his family, which was in Pune. Uh, Nothing actually worked out, and after that, Rohit Arya was just bent down to take something from his bag. But that police then thought that he's going to attack the hostages. But and then to save hostages, then police opened up the fire on Rohit Arya and directly shot him on his chest. And even immediately after that, Rohit Arya was taken into the hospital, where after some attempts, he declared dead. So this was the entire incident happened yesterday, and before that, police has handed over all the children to the parents, to the guardians, and they were safe. A couple of them are still in the hospital and they are traumatized. We're getting this news also. But yes, talking about the background of this story is taken he has taken a government project which he has completed, and then education minister has promised him for his fees,
Unaiza,
and
stay
then
on
that
with me.
time
We
he was.
have some more breaking news coming in. Now, the Mumbai police has refused to call Rohit Arya's shooting an encounter, saying that it was a firing done by police in order to rescue the hostage children. So it can't be called an encounter. The police added that the firing was done to secure the hostage children and it hit the accused, who sustained injury and died later. Unaiza, back to you on this latest update that's coming in from the cops.
Yes, yes, like I've mentioned it that police has when Rohit Arya bent down to bring something from his bag, police thought that of course he's going to hurt the hostages. To save the hostages, police has opened fire, and of course now police is claiming and giving out the statements that it was not an encounter, it was just to save the hostages. So in any ways, police has to act because there was 17 children, one adult, and one. So there were 18 to 19 people involved. In their lives were involved. So police had to take some action, and police has taken this action, and they have shot Arya on his chest. After that, which was turned into his injury, and then he immediately has taken to the hospital where he declared dead. So all these yesterday till yesterday, the things were not very clear, and everybody was saying that it was an encounter. So police came forward and given this statement that it was not an encounter. There was no sort of exchange of firing and all that happened. It was just a clearly to save hostages from Rohit Arya's any act, because in his video also we've seen that he was claiming that don't ignite me, and your one action, one wrong move can make these people's life, and don't trigger me, and all that he was in fact saying in his video. So we've seen that those videos also where he came and he gave the reason. Initially he decided to commit suicide also. He also mentioned about his suicide, and then something came in his mind, and he then planned to act as a director, and then he called these children for audition. These children came for audition, and then he planned everything, and then he actually demanded. He also claimed that that he is not demanding any money, and this is
All
very
right.